I was surprised how I could have not known Staticus before.
It was really surprising for me when I joined the team that they are really welcoming and helpful. It really made me feel relaxed.
Construction and manufacturing may look like not very interesting sectors to work, but when I started to work in Staticus, I completely changed my mind, and this company is so innovative, agile, and amazing people working here.
I didn't think that I would be able to learn as much as I've learned here during such a short period of time.
So many talented experts and designers, and also the multinational nature of the company. I was really surprised at the number of different nationalities working in Staticus.
People, that's for sure.
Inspiring people, influencing colleagues.
The Staticus really cares about innovation and doing the best to be a part of this change, and has this really positive attitude to change.
It's a really modern, forward-thinking company with all the technology and processes. So the agile process, continue trying to sort of improve and speed up the way of working.
That would be partnership, but in a way that we create partnerships within the company, not only with the suppliers or customers, and it feels like we are like one team.
I think connect most with the innovation, and it sort of relates again back to the products, the technology that Staticus use.